Hey friends, if you wish to remove yellow border around a screen in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing, if you're using a software like OBS and you check the display capture properties, like right click on it and select properties. If the capture method is selected at DXGI desktop duplication, the yellow border will be invisible. But here's the thing, why do you wish to remove the yellow border? Because this is a proof that your screen is being recorded. Otherwise, your screen may be recorded and you would not even know about it. And this is the same thing for software products like ShareX. Okay, I can open ShareX and then it will again introduce a yellow screen. So for some applications, there are options to remove it, and for some applications, there are no options to remove the yellow border. Okay, the next thing is that you can perform a malware scan on your system to be sure that it is not because of any malware or an attack by a cyber criminal. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and click on this MRT run command. Now type the command, now click on next and select full scan, and then click on next to scan your system for malware. This will need a while. After this, the last solution will be to search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.